Morning everyone. Market update for the day. Indian rupee opened at 85.36 versus its previous day close of 85.51 and 3/4. The reason for this strongness is the short-lived increase in US dollar after court ruling on tariff policies. However, the global risk sentiments are moving towards US dollar. As a result, Euro USD, GBP USD pairs have been decreasing. USD JPY pair on the other hand is decreasing after weaker than expected Japanese CPI data, which is betting on the rate cuts by Bank of Japan. This is the formulated range for the day, with USD INR's upper bandwidth being 85.60, lower being 85.10. This is for Euro INR, GBP INR and JPY INR. Market will be looking at Germany's retail sales month on month for the month of April, India's quarterly GDP year on year for Q4, India's FX reserves, which previously decreased to 685.73 billion, Germany's CPI month on month for the month of May, and US's core PCE price index year on year and month on month for the month of April. Thank you so much everyone. Follow us for more such updates and book your free consultation now for more personalized hedging advice.